Namaste students. Today we will discuss the divisibility test for 4, 6, 7, 8 and 11. In our previous class we discussed the divisibility test for 2, 3, 5, 9 and 10. And today we will discuss which 5 numbers? 4, 6, 7, 8 and 11. Let us discuss one by one. First the divisibility test for 4. How do we know that a number will be divided by 4 or not? Then what is the rule? If the number formed by the last 2 digits of a number is divided by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. If the number formed by the last 2 digits of a number is divided by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. Clear? If the number formed by the last 2 digits means the tens digit and ones digit. The tens digit and ones digit. If the number formed by the last 2 digits of a number is divided by 4, then the number will be divisible by 4. Suppose example 51,260. Is this number divided by 4? Now we will check which one is the last 2 digits. What is the number formed by the last 2 digits? 16. 16. Okay. Now we will check whether 16 is divided by 4 or not. You know 16 is divided by 4. That means 51,260 is also divided by 4. As 16 is divided by 4, 51,216 is also divisible by 4. Clear? Now one more example we will take. Two lakhs 58,132. Whether this number is divided by 4 or not. What is our rules? The last 2 digits. What is the number formed by the last 2 digits? 32. Is 32 divided by 4? Yes. 32 is divisible by 4. So this number 2,58,132 is divisible by 4. 2,58,132 is divisible by 4. Clear now whether a number is divisible by 4 or not. Now we will check the divisibility test for 8. Here also similar rule is there. In case of 4, we have checked the last 2 digits. But in case of 8, we have to consider the last 3 digits. That means hundreds, tens and ones. last three digits of a number is divisible by 8, the number will be divided by 8. If the number formed by last three digits of a number is divided by 8, the number will be divisible by 8. Clear beta? In case of 4 we have considered the last two digits. In case of 8 we have considered the last three digits. We have to consider the last three digits. Now we will check. Six lakhs 53,120. 6,53,120. Whether this number is divided by 8 or not. What we have to do? We have to consider the last three digits. What is the number formed by the last three digits? 120. 120 is the number formed by the last three digits. Is it divided by 8? Yes, 120 is divided by 8. That means this number will be divisible by 8 now. As 120 is divided by 8, 6,53,120 is divisible by 8. $84,802. Is it divided by 8? What is the number formed by the last three digits? 802. Is 802 divisible by 8? No, 802 is not divisible by 8. That means this number 84,802 is not divisible by 8. As 802 is not divided by 3. So not divided by 8. 84,802 is also not divisible by 8. Clear? How to check whether a number is divisible by 4 and divisible by 8? In case of 4, we have to consider the last two digits. Then if the number formed by the last two digits is divided by 4, number will be divisible by 4. Similar, we have here in case of 8, we have to consider the last three digits. If the number formed by the last three digits of a number is divisible by 8, number will be divisible by 8. I think now you are clear about the divisibility test of 4 and 8. Now we will check 6 and 7. Now divisibility test for 6. Whether a number is divided by 6 or not. Then what is the rule here? If the number is divided by both 2 and 3, the number must be divided by both 2 and 3. Then the number will be divisible by 6. If a number is divided divided by both 2 and 3, then the number will be divisible by 6. It should be divided by both 2 and 3. Suppose one number we will take 102. Is it divided by 2? Yes, it is divided by 2 because 2 is there in ones place. Is it divided by 3? Now check. What is the rule? We have to find the sum of digits. 1 plus 0 plus 2. 1 plus 0 plus 2, that is 3. 3 is divided by 3. That means this number is divided by 3 also. And 3 both. This number is divided by 2 and 3 both. So 102 is divided by 6 because it is divided by both 2 and 3. Now another number we will try. $1,119. Is this number divided by 2? No, because 9 is there in its ones place. Is not divided by 2. Is it divided by 3? Check. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 9. 9 plus 3, that means 12. 12 is divided by 3. That means this number is divided by 3. It not divided by 3 but divided by 3. Here the number is not divided by 2 but divided by 3 only. That means this number is not divisible by 6. By 6. One more number we will try. $1,208. Is this number divided by 2? Yes, because 8 is there in its ones place, it is divided by. Is it divided by 3? Now check the sum of digits. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. That means 11 is not divided by 3. That means 1,208 is not divided by 3. So 1,208 is not divisible by 6. Clear now? What is the rule for 6? It should be divided by both 2 and 3. If it is divided by either 1, either 2 or 3, then it is not divided by 6. It should be divisible by both numbers, both 2 and 3. Okay? In first case, we have seen the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, so it is divided by 6. In case of second, it is divided by 2 but not divided by 3, so it is not divisible by 6. In third case, it is divided by 2 but not divisible by 3, so it is not divided by 6. Clear now? Now we will check the divisibility test for 7. Next is our divisibility test for 7. the number is divided by 7 or not. And what is the rule? If the difference of twice the last digit and the number formed by the remaining digits is divisible by 7, then the number will be divisible by 7. What is the rule? If the difference of twice the last digit and the number formed by the remaining digits is divisible by 7, the number will be divisible by 7. What is the rule here? If the difference of twice the last digits and the number found by the remaining digits. Suppose one example I will take 2975. Suppose our number is 2975. Okay. Then what is the last digit here? 5 is the last digit. What it is telling? Twice of last digit. That means 5 into 2 equal to 10. And the number formed by the remaining digits. What are the remaining digits here? 290, 297. The number formed by the remaining digits 297. Then the difference 297 minus 10 equal to 287. Now we will check. If this is divided by 7, then the number 2975 is divisible by 7. Clear? What is the rule? Difference, that means subtraction of twice the last digit, that means 5 into 2 equal to 10 here, and the number formed by the remaining digits. If this difference is divisible by 7, the number is divisible by 7. Now 287, it is divisible by 7. 287, it is divisible by 7 because when we divide 7, 287, 7, 4 are 28, and 0, 7, 1, 41. Question will be 41 is divisible by 7. So 2975 is divisible by 7. One more example we will take. Suppose our number is 3152. Now we will check what is the last digit? 2. Then 2 into 2 twice of 4. Then 315. 315 minus 4. This is 311. Is this number divided by 7? No. This is not divided by 7. So the number 3152 is not divided by 7. Clear beta? What what is the divisibility test for 7? We have to find the twice of the last digit and the number found by the remaining digit. Then we will subtract. If that difference is divisible by 7, then the number will be divisible by 7. Now our last number, that is 11. We will check for 11 now. Next is our divisibility test for 11. What is the divisibility test for 11? If the sum of digits in odd place and sum of digits in even places, we have to find both. And if the difference is either 0 or divisible by 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. Clear? If the difference between the sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. If the difference of sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places. Places are each either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Here, if the difference of sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number is divisible by 11. Clear? Now we will take example. Our number is supposed 1,23,211. Now we will check this number. Suppose this is your first place, second place, third place, fourth place, fifth place and sixth place. Okay. Here you should confirm the sum of digits in even places and odd places. Which are the odd places here? 1, 3 and 5. This is odd place, this is odd place, this is odd place. 2 is even place, 4 is even place, 6 is even place. Clear? Now we will find the sum of digits. 1 plus 3 plus 1. 1 odd with, which are there in odd? 1, 3, 1. 1 plus 3 plus 1. That is 5. Now we will check for even. 2, 2, 1. 2 plus 2 plus 1. That is also 5. Here we have checked the sum in odd places. Which number are there in odd places? 1, 3, 1. Which are there in even places? 2, 2, 1. And both sum are 5. That means 5 minus 5 equal to 0. So the number 1, 2, 3, 2, 1 is divisible by 11. Clear? One more example you can take. Odd, even. One more example. Suppose your number is 7,30,2,490. 7,30,2,490. Now we will check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Which are there in odd place? This is your odd, this is your odd, this is your odd. This is even, this is even, this is even. Now we will add all the digits of odd places. 7 plus 2 plus 9. 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. Now even places. What are there in even places? 3, 4 and 0. 3 plus 4 plus 0. 7. Now 18 minus 7. 11. You know 11 is a multiple of 11? Yes or no? Every number is a multiple of same number. So this number 7,30,2,490 is divisible by 11. Clear? Like this we have to check whether a number is divisible by 11 or not. I think now you are clear about the divisibility test of 4, 6, 7, 8 and 11. In case of 4, we have to check the last two, the number formed by the last two digits. If it is divided by 4, number will be divisible by 4. In case of 8, we have to check the number formed by the last three digits. If it is divided by 8, number will be divisible by 8. In case of 6, if the number is divisible by both 2 and 3, number will be divisible by 6. In case of 7, what do we have to do? We have to find the difference of the twice of the last digit and the number formed by the remaining digits. If that difference is divisible by 7, number will be divisible by 7. And in case of 11, what we have done? We have to find the difference of the sum of digits in odd places and sum of digits in even places. If the difference is either 0 or a multiple of 11, then the number will be divisible by 11. Yes, but now I think you are clear about this divisibility test. Now I will give you some assignments which you have to do.